Hi everyone, this is Santhosh Kumar. Welcome to MAXLOGICALS. Thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss some previous year questions which is asked in the Eapcet. These questions are given from the differentiation. First thing I will explain the some concept on these questions. Already you know what in differentiation equation the main topic is linear differential equation. In differentiation the main topic and important topic in this differentiation is very important topic, linear differential equation. Let's see the general form of the linear differential equation. The general form of linear differential equation is dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. This general form of linear differential equation is with respect to x. Then we write another general form with respect to y. dx by dy plus p of y into x that equal to q of y. These two are the main general form of the linear differential equations. Now we find the how to finding the solution of these general forms. First we are finding the integrating factor. The formula of this, the first general form, this is 1 and this is 2. The formula of IF, integrating factor, equation number 1 is e power integral p dx, e power integral p dx. The formula of integrating factor, equation number 2 is e power integral p dy, because here we are doing the differentiation with respect to y, so here we are doing the with respect to y. In equation number 1 is with respect to the differentiation with respect to x, so we are finding the integrating factor with respect to x. The solution of equation number 1 is y into integrating factor equal to integrating factor into q of x dx. This is the equation number 1 solution, and x into integrating factor f in integrating factor into q of y into dy. This is the equation number 2 solution. This is the equation number 2 solution. Now let us discuss some questions on this topic. That is the solution of the differential equation y dash equal to given an expression y dash equal to e power minus y minus x. Find the solution of the differential equation. This question which is asked in the 2016 Telangana Eapcet. What is the y dash means? Y dash means dy by dx, where x dash means dx by dy. Y dash means dy by dx, where x dash means dx by dy, that equal to 1 by e power minus y minus x. Now reciprocal of this function, where dx by dy that equal to e power minus y plus x, minus e power minus y minus x. The x taken to the left side plus x equal to e power minus y. This differential equation is in the form of equation number 2. Now we proceed the equation number 2 procedure. What is the equation number 2 procedure? First we can find the integrating factor. What is the integrating factor formula of the equation number 2? if equal to integrating factor if equal to e power integral p dy, e power p dy, p dy, p dy, p dy, p dy, e power integral p dy. Now comparing the equation number 2 and this differential equation, what is the p of y value? 1. What is the value of p of y is 1, and q of y is e power minus y. What is the value of q of y? E power minus y. Now we finding the integrating factor e power integral 1 dy, that equal to e power y, that is e power y. Now we are finding the solution of this differential equation. Differential equation x into e power y equal to integral e power y e power minus y dy, where x e power y equal to integral e power y minus y e power 0. What is the value of e power 0? E power 0 is 1, where dy. Integrating of this 1, x e power y equal to x e power y equal to with respect to y, so y plus c, x e power y plus c. This is our final solution. Now we check the options. Option A, x equal to e power minus y, y plus c. Now we e power y is shifting to the right side, e power minus y into y plus c. Option A is the right answer. Now we can move the next question. The next question is, if log y is an integrating factor, given log y is an integrating factor of the differential equation, what is the differential equation? dx by dy plus p of y x equal to q of y. This is the differential equation. This log y is the integrating factor of this differential equation. Then now we are find p of y. What is the value of p of y? This is the question. Now we can do this differential equation, which is comparing the equation number 2. This question like this differential equation like as a equation number 2, so we can use the integrating factor of the formula is equation number 2. What is the integrating factor of equation number 2? Integrating factor if equal to e power integral p dy. This is the integrating factor of equation number 2. Integrating factor equal to log y. We can do the multiple the both sides on log of e power integral p dy equal to log of y. Here log and e power exponential function is cancelled. Integral p dy equal to log of y. Differentiation with respect to y on both sides. Integrating and differentiation is cancelled, where p equal to d by dy of log y. What is the differentiation of log y? Log y differentiation is 1 by y. 1 by y, here what is the x value? What is the y value? Log y. So inner differentiation dy by dy log y. That is the 1 by y and 1 by y log y. This is our final p p value, that is now we are check the options. Option 1, option A, 1 by y plus log y is wrong answer. Option B, 1 by y by log y is wrong answer. Option C, log y by y is wrong answer. Option D is right answer. Option D is the right answer. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you to all. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.